Welcome everyone to the VuWall booth at ISE 2023. We're really excited to be here. We're showing off our video wall management solutions as well as AV over IP distribution. This year at ISE, we are showcasing our latest version of the TRX video wall management system as well as our PAC network video wall nodes. We're also doing a preview of our latest IP KVM technology for collaborative KVM collaboration in the control room. We're also showcasing our VuStream 550, which is our latest encoder decoder for SDVoE technology on the Samsung LED display behind me. So come on by and visit us. We're in booth 5E370, and for those of you that can't be here, you can visit us at VuWall.com.